welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to remove unstoppable crypto wallet from your phone. First of all, to remove unstoppable application from your phone, you need to find the application on your device. After finding the application, long press on the application. Now you can see remove application option. Click on it. Here you can click on delete application to remove the application, or you can also only remove it from your home screen. Click on delete application to remove it. After that, confirm it once again by clicking on delete application, and the application will be removed from your phone. The second method is that removing manually in the settings. Open your settings application, then go to general tab. Here you can see storage option. Click on it and search for the application here. If you could not find the application in here, you can simply search it at the search bar at the top of your screen. Simply type the name of the application. You will find the application there. Click on it and click on delete application button. After that, again click on delete app. Application will be deleted. You can also see that it has been removed from the home screen. So that is how you can remove unstoppable crypto wallet from your phone. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.